Today I'm going to show you how you can decorate a rented wall. So this is one side of my wall. I placed a small bed, like it's not small, it is a double bed, so two of them can sleep, but I don't feel comfortable in single bed. If I sleep alone also, I need a big bed to sleep while sleeping. So that I always choose a medium sized bed for my room. So I painted this room with a white color, and always my bed sheets, my pillow covers, all my items complements my wall colors as well. So how we can make our room pop up and pleasant when you enter from your office to home. So yeah, let's go into the video. This is a bureau I bought over here in local shop, and there is a small crack over there when I shifted it to this room, so it is my fault. So I thought I can hide it, so I placed some butterflies and some stars, some flowers which I had. I pasted it with glue so that you can't see any marks over there. Next, this pink color, add a pop-up color to your room corner. Next, I placed unwanted stuff which will not use on daily basis. I kept it over there, my winter bed sheets and trolleys, few of my dolls which I have to wash. I kept it over there. When I get time, I'll wash, and my floor sheets, everything I kept over there. And I have put attached a small anchor so that I can place few of my clothes when I come from office. Next, this is a curtain which complements my wall. I choose this sheet, dark maroon. You can choose a printed sheets as well. Printed curtains looks very good with white color walls. And in this corner I placed a monkey bag. It contains all my DIY items like brushes, my pencils, color sketches or paintings, everything. And this was painted by me. It is a small butterfly fairy. It looks so vibrant when I place it in this wall. It added a good complement pop-uping color to this wall, so I placed it here. Main thing and always in my window there will be two pigeons which have stayed here without rent. Still I gave permission to them. They most probably wake me up in the morning. Next, in this corner I placed a table, so I thought I can make this corner a little bit colorful. I don't want to buy lots of costly items, and I want to make this area colorful. The things which I had, I made colorful with that things only. I think if I show this, you may get some idea about this. So this is a table I bought for 150 rupees to do my works. In mm, in the down of the table I kept my um, racks so that I can place my dirty clothes. When I wash, take it out and I'll wash. So when I used to place dirty clothes in that rack, so it was hidden space, no one can see that, and it don't look awkward when someone enters in your room. Upon that, I placed a small kids pencil box. I love this car pencil box, so I bought it, and I'm not interested to use it actually, because I thought it may get dirty if I start using it. So I didn't even remove it from the cover. I just kept it like that. And next, it is a piggy bank, you can say, but it is not piggy bank, it is my bank. Next one, two Rubik's cube. I have placed 3 into 3 Rubik's cube, and this is under the triangle shaped Rubik's cube on the top of it, so it looks like a home. Next, a kitty. it is a phone cover I bought for my phone, but still I didn't used it, so I thought I can use it as a decor piece. Next, this small cars over here. This cars cost me around 20 10, but something it added colors to my room as well. It's it is not that much price, but these small things add colors to my daily life. Next, another Rubik's cube. It is also 3 into 3 Rubik's cube, but the modulation is little bit different. And next one, I placed this pill box. It's not pill box actually, it is a medicine. You can keep it over here, but the color is a pop pink color, so I thought, why should I place it anywhere else? I can place it over here, so it will add color to this table. Next, it was a spray, VIP spray, but it was finished actually. Still, I make it as a decor piece. And this was a spray cover. A spray was inside this box, so I have made this box two, and I placed few bubbles, pens, and these are some pens, and a star fairy light. It blinks if you turn on your switch. And these, you can say, some antique pieces. And this is a small diary section, you can say. These all diaries I used to write something, holy books. And this is a diary, still I didn't start using it. And these two are smiley balls. I love smiley balls. And I bought these two pots for 5 rupees. And I placed this flower pens. It is actually pen, so I placed this pen, so it add color to my table. This is a eraser and this was happy birthday. It was given by my friend during my birthday, so I kept it safely. And this is my birthday candle, so I made it as a happy birthday DIY. And this one, when current is gone, these two are very useful, so I kept it there. And this blue color bottle, I placed some color glitter flowers over there, and placed a small money plant propagation over here. It is propagating right now. Next, this Syngorium plants too. It's a pair. If you buy from a shop, they will give you in a pair. It cost me around 150. Always plants add positive energy to your home. So finally, this table looks like this. So this is one of my corner wall decoration. On next video, I'll share another wall decoration, how you can make your room pleasantful by each and every corner. So I'll show some DIYs as well. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe my channel. If you have any comment, please leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.